feel like you're running from one thing to the next, and even when you do take a break, you feel guilty? Or maybe you know exactly what needs to get done, but still feel overwhelmed. Trust me, I've been there too. But here's what I've found. Time blocking isn't just a productivity tool. It's a way to make sure you're taking care of you. Today, I'll show you how time blocking can help you not only get more done, but also make space for yourself. Guilt-free. Let's go. Hi, I'm Marianne. Let's talk about that overwhelming cycle. Too many tasks, not enough time, self-doubt creeping in, and before you know it, procrastination kicks in. Then you feel guilty for not taking action, and even guiltier if you try to take a break. Oh, it's exhausting, right? I used to feel like every minute had to be about doing things for others, crossing off tasks, and feeling like I didn't have time to just breathe. But that approach left me burned out and honestly not very productive. That's when I tried time blocking, not only to organize my tasks, but also to carve out intentional time for me. So what exactly is time blocking? It's simply a way to divide your day into blocks of time where each block is dedicated to a specific activity, whether it's work, errands, or self-care. Think of it as a structured way to make sure you're taking time for yourself and managing your to-do list. Here's why it works. Time blocking reduces that overwhelming feeling because you're not looking at a never-ending to-do list. Instead, you're focused on what's in your current block of time. And even better, when you schedule time for self-care, you're not stealing time from something else. It's built into your day so you can finally give yourself permission to rest without guilt. Now let's go through the top benefits of time blocking for your well-being and productivity. 1. Stress-free self-care. By setting aside time for self-care, you're prioritizing you in a way that doesn't feel rushed or forced. You know it's there, just like any other important task. 2. Increased energy and clarity. Taking breaks isn't selfish. It's essential. When you give yourself time to rest, you'll be more alert and focused, which makes those challenging tasks feel less intimidating. 3. Boosted productivity. With clear time blocks, you won't be jumping between tasks. You'll know exactly what needs your attention, which makes it easier to check things off and feel accomplished. Better decision making. When you're well rested and not overloaded, you can make decisions more effectively, saving you time and energy. If you're getting value from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who may also need that encouragement to put themselves on top of the list. Now here's how you can set up your own time blocks to create that balance between productivity and self-care. Identify non-negotiables. Start with essentials, things like meal breaks, work hours, family time, and yes, self-care. Treat me time as a non-negotiable, just like a work meeting. Schedule breaks intentionally. Create a small pocket of time throughout the day where you can rest, stretch, or do something enjoyable. Don't feel guilty about taking these. They're built into your schedule for a reason. Now, I want you to take a moment to try this out. Block out a quick self-care break in your planner right now. And if this is helping, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to balance productivity with self-care. Now, to make things even easier, I've created daily planner inserts and weekly spreads that include hourly time blocks. Now, your needs may change daily, so check in with yourself and be flexible with time blocks. It's all about balance. Now, here's the big takeaway. Self-care isn't selfish. It's what makes everything else possible. By giving yourself permission to rest and recharge, you're actually setting yourself up for greater success with other tasks on your list. And remember, if you want more tips, be sure to check out the description box for links to my shop, my Plannerettes community, and some favorite planning tools I swear by. And if you're ready to take self-care and your break to the next level, check out this video right here where I dive into different types of breaks you should be taking in order to avoid burning out. See you there.